Nice seeing you.
Hi, nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Right now we arrived to Revolution's headquarters and we're going to pick out some summer, spring pieces and some casual clothing. But first of all, thank you very much, Pelle, for having us.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
We're curious if you can tell a little bit about when did you're the co-founder, and when did you start the company?
We kind of go back to 1995 or something like that. At least that's the day where we talk about as the first day where we actually started. So it's, what is it now? So we count like 22, 23 years or something like that. And yeah, well, we started out being only two guys in a small cellar, doing only a few t-shirts, and now we are doing it in an international brand and trying to do our best.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's I remember 15 years ago, went to high school and I had the first Revolution t-shirt with the, no, it's not the first one.
No, it's not the first
It's
one.
not, because it's 23 years old, the brand. But I remember that it was one of my favorite t-shirts with two dices, yes. On fire, I think or so something too. With the Finnish race flags or something. It was good. Now we're here picking out some cool designs. Yeah. So let's take a tour.
Yeah, let's take a small tour. And, yeah, well, this is actually the main office where everybody's located here. We have a light sign that we can switch on in the dark days. And upstairs we have showrooms up there, and we have a big terrace up there where we can sit in the sun and enjoy at evening and when people want to. Yeah, and yeah, pretty much the design department is over there. People in sales are here, and then we have the warehouse out there. Yeah, well, this is actually where all the business is going on. When the collections are finished, this is where we show them all for the customers, and we discuss them back and forth. And I've picked out a few sets that I believe that could be really good for a daily outfit, and something which could be more fresh for the summertime. So, with that in mind, I've tried to, navigate between colors, patterns, flowers, something that can really spice up a little bit of the summertime. So that would
sounds nice. I'm looking forward to it because normally I'm not dressing that loud. It's mainly black tones, so
black and white.
So what I'm going for today is to spice up my everyday look and find something that I find more toned down for my temper. So casual and a fresh spring look, I think.
Sometimes also like a great flower shirt. So I hope we are lucky here.
For you, Rasmus, I think a good idea would be put on some light suit pants, which could just roll them up a little bit on the bottom and add.
I like the color, like the dark blue.
Spice it up with some light, fresh, faded colors, which is suitable for the summer. And
like that color.
Adding a little jacket to it.
How will you describe the color? Is it salmon or?
No. The pink color is quite popular right now. This one is a garment dyed color, which means that it has a faded look to it. So every time you wash it, the color will be more authentic, more vintage in the looking, and it will just be more and more beautiful the more you wear it.
It looks a little bit like the original, one of the fabrics you have used from the very beginning.
I like this color.
It is. Cool. It's more or less the basic fabric which we started out the whole company about. That could be really nice for you. I think you should give it a shot.
Cool. Great.
Go for it?
Definitely.
You have to put these on. But when you do like this, I mean, especially for the summer times with your shoes and everything, roll it up a little bit and show your ankles, bare-feeted.
Scandinavian style.
So combine it with something really, basic on the top, combine it with that, and then either a leather jacket, or that could also be like a black denim jacket.
Basically, it's very important that you do not mix up two different loud styles. Yeah, we could take this one.
Yeah, like an example would be, I mean, if you combine flowers with the checks, it would be kind of too much, you know.
Yeah, or
it's
stripes.
Not balanced in that way. So if you combine it with stripes and checks, you are a little bit over the top.
So one of the things, only top either or bottom.
Yeah, either go crazy on the bottom and be more easy, basic on the top, or do the opposite.
It's mainly black and white, of course you can see that, but the color speaks to each other, so that's something that's important.
To your personality as well. So.
Exactly.
There's the flowers.
Yeah. Now the summer comes in. I mean, for the summer edition, choose a pair of denim shorts. Could be easy and nice to wear, with a little bit of stretch in it, so they're actually comfortable and you can actually move well.
Nice.
So, but if you combine that with ta-da, do some flowers on the top. I mean, then you're fresh and you're actually still kind of good looking. I mean, it's kind of wild, but still not wilder than what should be expected for the summer edition. So I would suggest that you go for this one.
And Pelle, you have designed it yourself.
Yep.
What thoughts have you put into the design?
I mean, the thoughts about it is that you can see the color is a little bit different. We see this kind of color coming where you cannot button it up like this one. So it's kind of standing open in that way. This is, I mean, it is kind of this. You could say, if you look from old movies, it's kind of a little bit of the tacky type, but you really see it coming a lot. Yeah. Secondly, I mean, for us, it's very important to use some of the colors that you see in the season. In this case, the pink you see in the flowers, but do a base color on the bottom, which is in this case navy blue. So the base is actually very subtle, and use some of the seasonal color on the top of it. That works well. It's not too young. It's still workable for. I mean, I would say for anyone between 20 and up to 40. And it's that season of the year. And when you are allowed to do something. Yeah, and it's really a design that catches the eye. Yeah.
I'm definitely digging this one.
It's nice.
And the shorts is also my type, definitely.
Yeah. Give it a shot.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think also, since it's vacation season, it's just a piece you need to bring.
You can use it on the beach, but you can still
also think that this
out for dining in the evening.
This color is very notable.
Yeah.
It's really unique. You don't see it a lot.
Cool.
You do it. In your case, the last set we put on you, we put some check pants and some easy going on the top. Now we do the opposite with you.
Great.
We put on a pair of suit pant shorts in this way, very easy going. A little roll up on the legs.
And it's designed with the roll up.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I like that.
So if you combine that with an easy going, like a logo T-shirt, which is easy going. Yeah. But the logo T-shirt is a big thing right now as well. Yeah. And then, for the more wild part of it, take a completely trashed up denim jacket on top of it in a light blue color that fits very well and it's good for the summer.
It has to fit good. I think that's important.
And these have really we've added stretch to the fabric, so which means you can actually move quite well.
Oh, nice. That's important. That's something I choose from. Yeah. Actually, it's never buy any jeans without stretch.
Often you like the jacket to sit really tight, so it's important that you can move around.
It's about 1 to 2% elastane, right?
Yeah. But this one has some distress effect to it, you know, holes are created and some blast effect to the front of it.
Yeah.
Just a good piece for the summer edition as well. So I think you should go for that.
Feel that this is gonna fit very good. Good. Let's jump into it.
I really like all the pieces, and Pelle, thank you for the introduction and finding all these nice items. We are looking forward to try them on right now. Let's do it.
Now we have seen 4 different outfits, and we hope you liked the episode. We would like to see what you think is the coolest, so please vote up here and let us know.
It was definitely fun to be visiting here on Revolution.
I like the outfits, and this one is very nice to wear right now since it's very hot here in Denmark.
I think the cowboy jacket, or denim jacket, you might call it.
Cowboy.
I think the denim jacket looks awesome, and also the classic super shorts. The flower print here is also very awesome. It reminds me of Miami.
Anyway, please write in the comment section down below and give us some ideas for what to do next. So what's left to say? See you guys.
See you guys.